Hello everyone, today I will be walking you through how to add Python to path or your system path so that you can run commands like pip install, commands like if I just show you very quickly, some things like pip install numpy or matplotlib or Django directly without having to do any funny business. Just this will work perfectly fine, right? So I will teach you how to do that. You first of all open this PC or my PC or whatever you have it, and then here in the left side you should see this. Right click it, click on properties, and then here you click on advanced system settings. After you get advanced system settings, you will find this button named environment variables. Double click on environment variables. Then in system variables you should find a name thing called path. This is path right here. In path you will have to click on new and you will have to add the path to your Python. Now how do you find that? You go to your usual IDLE, Python IDLE, and just let that open. Once it's open, you can actually just do this. 1 second. You can do import sys, then sys.print sys.path. This I'm doing this just to figure out where where your Python is located. If you run this, it will give you this list of stuff. Here all you need is literally the last one, or at the second. You're looking for something that's named site packages. Here, this one. Yours should look something like this: C users lib site packages. You can do Control C, Windows key R, right? You get the run command, paste it, and if I just go back and change it so that it doesn't have the apostrophe in the starting, right? You should open this. Would open a folder, right? Once you open the folder, it should be your Python folder that should open without any errors. You go to Python 37 or 35 or whatever you have. In this, you click on this folder icon and copy this path. After you copy this path, you click on new and paste it here, right? That's the first thing you should paste. See here, I already have it here, so I will not be pasting it again. The second thing you should paste is the next one, the scripts folder, which is you can go look through your look through your folder, and you should get to here. Same thing. Copy this, go back here and new, and paste it here, right? Scripts. But since again I already have these, I won't be pasting them again. After that, you just click OK, OK, cancel, close it, and now it should work perfectly fine. You should be able to run any kind of Python commands, including things like Python. You should be able to do it from the Windows key R itself. So this will bring up Python directly. You will not have, it will not give you the error that this is not a recognizable command. Thank you. Bye bye.